Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to install this car stereo, but the only difference is this is an installation free, and I'll show you exactly what I mean after we get this unboxed. Okay, so inside the box, we'll open up just like this. First thing we'll find is your warranty card, your instruction manual telling you how to operate the stereo, the stereo itself, nice widescreen, HD DVR, which is your dash cam. Bonus, 64 gigabyte micro SD card. This is a mount to stick on your dash. Or this mount here. You also have your power adapter, audio adapter, and this is a camera for the rear of your vehicle, or reverse camera. Okay, before we head back out to the car, I'm going to go ahead and install this micro SD card into this stereo. Right here is your slot. The card will face out like this and just click in. Alright guys, now we're back in the car. I'm going to go ahead and show you what I mean by installation free. First step, we're going to put our mount on. It will lock into the back just like that. Next, we'll plug in our power cord to the USB Type-C plug right here. We'll take and mount it to the dash. This is a sticky pad. You can lock it down right here. We're going to take our power cord, our plug, and plug it into a 12-volt receptacle or cigarette lighter. And the radio should just turn on. Now we're going to go home, go to radio, and set it to 87.50. And on our radio here, we're going to go to 87.5. Now that's set, we'll go back here, go into Bluetooth, and then on our phone, we'll go into Bluetooth and scan car Bluetooth. We're going to pair, and now we're connected. We'll go ahead and hit home. And you can see it is now bringing up the GPS. This will be Ionia, Michigan. We'll go there. We can zoom out. We also have apps over here. We'll exit. We also have DVR for dash cam recording. And as you can see up here, it's recording. So wherever I go, this will always be recording. Definitely handy to have in your car. We'll go back home, go back here. You can go into setup, basic camera, restore to factory, sound setup, display settings for brightness, contrast, background. You can have different colors or pictures. You also have screensaver, language setup, time setup. And you also have Bluetooth, so you can play music. We'll exit. You got a clock. The screen's very nice. It's 1080, high definition. I'm going to leave a link in the description to where you can find this. If you end up getting one, let me know what you think. You can also hook up a rear camera. That way, when you put it in reverse, you can watch where you're going. I think this is the best option if you don't want to have to change out your stereo in your car because it's too old, or the fact that maybe you can't change it out because a lot of times it's just integrated into the system. So if you take your old factory stereo out, it can cause a lot of issues. I think this is the best option. So like I said, if you end up getting one, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think of it. Until again, I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.